Hey, what's up guys? Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. In today's video, we're going to look at the differences between Teespring changing over to Spring and what is different, what's happened. A lot of people have been asking this on a lot of my videos, so we're going to go over these things that they've changed and we can check it out together. Let me quickly cover that a lot of people have been asking where I disappeared to. I did get married. We did get a new Labrador puppy, which I'll show you guys in a second. So Enzo the Black Labrador, we now have 2 Labradors, so that's been quite hectic as well. And we've got a lot of other things going on in our personal life, but I have still been working on getting better, growing my business, things like that. But now I'm back to YouTube and plan to make videos again, so it should be good. This one should be a good one, so stay tuned and I'll show you the puppy shortly. Alright, so here we are on Google. As you can see, Teespring is now turning into Spring, so you can go through and check out why they've done that. There is a few things, but mainly they're just trying to make the company better and they're just rebranding and heading towards the future and in the direction that they want to go. So it is a lot better, I think. It's definitely going to help people that have a following, but it's also going to work for smaller creators. That's why it's all free anyway. So we've just got it down here and let's just have a look. So you can see you can create a lot of different things and they've definitely upped the quality with the suppliers, things like that. So you've got how it works here, create, design products and create a custom store, connect your social accounts, promote your launch and share your products with your community, and earn. So they have a featured creators thing here, which is interesting and new. And then they have social integrations, which is one of the big things that they're pushing here. So you can actually hook up your store. It's definitely going to be good for branding, things like that. So it might even drive me to get back to having my own personal Instagram, because I do only have my dog's Instagram, which I've been building up, but I could also use it for that as well. So you've got custom stores and they have changed it quite a bit. The stores are a lot better looking. Even from this example here, you can see it looks a lot nicer. And that was something that they needed to do because all the stores looked very basic and ugly. So that's a really good update that they've done there. So another interesting thing that they've done is that they've brought in digital products. So this is really interesting. Let's have a look here. So just here you'll see that you'll be noticing a few changes, including a host of new services, from print upgrades and partnering with 99 Designs. So that's one of the big partnerings that they've done, to improving our customer service experience for fans and scaling up support. So this last line here is something that all of you guys have vented your frustration with at least once. Customer service and scaling up the support is a big deal. And yeah, this is one of the interesting things that I wanted to go over though. Spring recently launched the ability to upload and sell digital content on the same platform as selling physical products. Creators can now offer any digital product imaginable to fans globally, from ebooks to photo filters to audio files to wallpapers. So I think this one's really, really cool. This is something that I find very interesting because you could literally sell anything that you wanted to. Digital products are non-physical assets sold by means of a downloadable link online. They can be anything from digital calendars to ebooks, audiobooks, photo filters, digital wallpapers, and virtual events. Your options are limitless. Join the digital revolution, enhance your product collection, and begin monetizing your content. So this is what's really opened up the most interesting thing, I think anyway, about Spring and the change here, because you can literally sell anything now. So if you have some sort of following, let's say it's the dog niche, always an easy one to use, and now you could be selling calendars, digital wallpapers, all that sort of stuff as well, filters, audiobooks, like so many things. You can sell anything on here. So it really expands the range from being just Teespring, which is why they've taken the T out of it, I guess, to Spring, where you can launch so many different products. So if we come over and have a look at what you can do digital wise, so they've got audio file, digital planner, digital poster, digital wallpaper, document, digital product, photo filter, image file, e-comic, ebook. So you can even sell ebooks on here. It's pretty cool. I just love that they've added this feature. So instead of just being Teespring and being t-shirts, now they've really, really expanded, and it's going to be very interesting to see how people use this and how I'm going to use it as well. So I guess I'll let you guys know as I get better and better at using it, because it is all new to me as well. I haven't done any of these yet, so it's very exciting, and definitely I'll have more videos updating you guys on what I'm going to launch and how you guys can launch it as well. And yeah, just go through all the different options that we have here. Really, really exciting times. So one more thing that I want you guys to check out, I definitely suggest going and having a look around the website and just figuring all this stuff out for yourself. It's always the best way to go and have a play with it all. But this is the other thing that I find very interesting about what they've changed. So design support for all with 99 Designs. As part of Spring's accessible tools and services, we're partnering with 99 Designs. Allows you to collaborate with a 99 Designs expert designer who can bring your ideas to life. Enjoy having the ability to launch products with the best possible designs without limitation or needing specific skills or software. This is a very cool option instead of you having to go to, let's say, Fiverr or something like that and work with someone who's a complete stranger and hopefully won't rip you off or do a bad job. Obviously, when they've got people on here helping Spring from 99 Designs, very professional company, you're going to get someone that's actually going to help you properly. A lot of people definitely struggle with designs. Even though, like, to be honest, most of the best designs are just usually text and quirky sayings, things like that, things that are current, things that are like trending now. But and then you've got your evergreen niches as well. But a lot of text-based designs are usually the best. But a lot of these guys, if you actually want to make something a bit better, having an expert to help you out would definitely help. They've pretty much increased their quality. That's what they're getting at here. So as color looks closely as each element of creating the perfect blank garment, technology, skill, location, price, and efficiency are considered when selecting suppliers. I'm pretty sure, I'm not sure if it says here, I did get told that they have suppliers in Japan and Australia now. So they didn't have them in Australia before. So that's definitely going to be handy to me because I am in Australia. I know quite a few of my followers are as well. And yeah, they've just upped the quality. Everything about this is so much better. So I think it's just a really good rebrand, really good effort by these guys, and it should come in handy to make selling shirts way easier for everyone, or selling those digital downloads or whatever it is that you want to sell, that is. Alright guys, so this is my new puppy, Enzo the Black Labrador. So we have Hershey the Chocolate Lab, and then now we have Enzo the Black Labrador. He's a bit fired up at the moment because he was just run down the backyard. I went out and grabbed him. But yeah, this is our new Black Labrador puppy. Just thought I'd introduce him. Enzo the Black Labrador. He's an absolute cutie. He's about 14 or 15 weeks now. Anyway, that is it for today's video. A nice short one to get back into it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I covered some of the things that have changed about Teespring rebranding to Spring. I'm very excited about it. It's definitely something I'm going to be starting to play around with now. And yeah, hopefully bringing you guys lots more new content. I know you guys have been commenting like, where have I been, things like that on my social medias, but I am back and definitely going to make more time for this because yeah, ready for a big 2021 to get into it. So thanks so much for watching. Please give the video a like for me. Please hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.